Hi guys, I'm going to be starting off with moisturizing my face using Neutrogena's Hydro Boost. For foundation, I'm going to be using CoverGirl's True Blend. And I'm going to be using this for concealer. To set that concealer, I'm using Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Translucent Powder. And I'm going to be putting Maybelline's Fit Me Matte Powder all over my face. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to be using Beauty Glaze Color Board, and I'm going to start off with this light orange shade in the middle. To darken and warm up the look a little bit, I'm going to be going into Jeffree Star's Blood Sugar palette and using this dark brown shadow. And also back to the Color Board palette using this darker orange. Using those two shadows together on my eyelid and on my outer V. For the lower lash line, again I'm going to use the light orange. And then the darker orange is going to go towards the outer lower part. And I'm going to blend those two kind of together so they kind of fade into each other. This pretty shimmery orange color, I'm just going to use my finger and place that on my eyelid. And then I'm going to take this golden yellowish color and place that on my inner corners. I was just thinking of that movie, Fifth Element, because my eyeshadow reminds me of the girl's hair color. This is my all-time favorite liquid eyeliner. It's by NYX. It's the matte one. And with it, I'm just going to be making a simple wing. I'm going to apply this Rimmel London mascara on my top lashes and on my lower lashes. I'm going to contour my nose a little bit. I'm using the same dark orange I used on my eyes, mixing that with a light brown shadow. What I'm doing here is creating the illusion of a more button nose like nose, and it really kind of gives you a tiny nose lift and it makes your nose look cuter.
Yeah.
I'm dipping into 3 of the shadows from the same palette and using that as blush. So I really wanted this look to have all the colors that remind you of autumn, like the color of the leaves that are brown, reddish, orange, just the whole fall vibe. I do like this orange peachy lipstick color, but I'm going to be adding a chocolate brown lipstick to it And I'm just gonna blend that in and kind of mix both of the colors so it's a little darker.
Yeah.
I almost forgot to do my eyebrows, so I'm sorry if I'm not doing my makeup in chronological order, but yeah, at least I didn't forget, and now I'm just doing highlight. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I really loved how the orange shades blended together. It really reminds me of early Paramore and Ed Sheeran. And with Spooky Month coming up, this is a really cool look to wear. And it just reminds me of pumpkins. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already.